This was a strange sequence because it wasn't like a schematic thing. It was more like an emotional thing, like this needs some moment. We need to see the bad guys, but see them in an impersonal way, because that makes them even more bad in a way.
Right.
But so the idea was that the ship would go down and we would cut to Bob hearing these things take off, so that you also connected it with Bob. But the idea that you show them coming out over the wreckage almost like vultures. I mean, when we talked about designing these things, we wanted to make them kind of like predatory birds, carrion birds. And the idea was that you would show them going over the debris field on the water very dispassionately and just saying, no survivors, da-da-da-da.
Debris field all clear, no survivors.
But having them form themselves into the raft and start heading for the island, and then having to stop while these guys came over them. Structure-wise, I understood perfectly that it was a bumpy structure. But it always felt right to me emotionally, and I was sorry to see it go. But when we lost it, we lost one of my favorite shots in the movie, which was the family hiding underwater as these vipers went over.
Right.
But when we took it off the plate of everybody, so many people were relieved because we had underwater hair simulation and all this stuff that's hard to do.
Right.
And it's like you could just feel the beast of The Incredibles go when that was taken out. But we even animated one scene in it.
Who are those guys? Are those the bad guys? Mom?
Yes, honey.
Wait a minute, stop. Are you saying that Dad is working for the bad guys?
Of course not.
Then what's going on?
We're gonna find out.
In my ideal version, I would have that scene back.
I saw something. Viper 2, break 6-5 and check it out, over.
Viper 2 to Viper 1, sweep negative, all clear. Viper 2 proceeding to debris field.
This is Viper 1. Debris field all clear. No survivors. Returning to base.
Who were those guys? Were those bad guys? Mom?
Yes, honey.
Wait a minute, stop. Are you saying that Dad is working for the bad guys?
Of course not.
Then what's going on?
We're gonna find out.